This is Austin Drake with Move Free. In this exercise, we're going to do some hinge point training of the spine, particularly the lumbar region. And we're going to do this in a quadruped or hands and knees position using the monster band or the pull-up assistance band kind of for resistance. So we'll take this, put this along the low back. I'm going to start down by the waist. I'm going to hook it on my hands here. And then I'm going to start at the bottom there, but I could do it at any level I choose, right? And so I'm going to get on that lowest level there, and then bring my hands down to the floor, okay? And now when I do, I'm going to almost go through a cat-camel type motion where I'm flexing and extending my spine, but I'm going to try to isolate the movement to only that segment where the band is, right? So instead of doing the whole spine like so, I'm going to kind of isolate at just that level. So it's not going to be a ton of movement, right? Something like that, just going slow, really trying to isolate that particular segment. If it's stiff, you're definitely not going to feel a lot of movement. You may notice as you move into the extension direction there, we're kind of arching the back, it may be shaky, okay? So you want to go slow and try and smooth that motion out as much as possible, okay? So again, I can do this anywhere on the spine. I can come up higher, get more into my thoracic region, all right? And again, I would try to isolate just that joint. So in other words, I'm not moving this region or the region above very much, or that's my goal, or my intent. I'm only moving and flexing that segment where the band is. So at first this can take a little bit of practice because the tendency you're going to want to feel a lot of movement here, and there just isn't a lot of movement. So just go slow and try to slowly isolate that joint against resistance, okay? From behind, right, there, flexion there, extension there, okay? Again, not a ton of movement.